Hi, Brian here. I'd like to do a demonstration of how LabStrip and Anywhere Science Cloud work together through our website and our mobile application. So I'm going to go over here and do this with my iPad. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and record this using a mirroring application so that you can see what I'm doing a lot more clearly. Okay, now what we're doing is logging in with my credentials to get into my Anywhere Science Cloud account. And so this will take you to the main screen. We're going to select the School PH project, which is where we'll go in and on the left-hand side add a trigger. And so to add a trigger, we click the right, and it brings up this interface so we can type in a name for this trigger, which we will call PH trigger demo. Then we just need to select the test type, which will be pH in this case. The trigger will be when it's less than or equal to a threshold value of a pH of 10. And then the message that will output when we trip that signal is Brian's pH. So Brian's pH is less than 10. And then what we'll do is create an SMS message that will display that once that's tripped, and then type in a phone number. And I'm just giving you an example phone number because my wife does not want me to give out her phone number. So we'll go back and edit that. But that's all you need to do to add a trigger. And so now it's ready to go. Now that that's all set up, let's go do an experiment using LabStrip Meter to see how it all fits together. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and launch the LabStrip mobile application. There we go, there's our nice home screen. And I'm going to give you a demonstration of what you would do with a brand new box of strips. So with the new box of strips, what you'd need to do is link the calibration that we have on our cloud with your particular phone setup, and you do that with a QR code. And so what I'm going to do is click this little radio menu and then click this cute little QR barcode icon, and then show the application to the QR code on the box of strips, and then it wants to add this QR code to our inventory. I'm going to say no because it's already existing there, but you would say yes, and you would do that with every new box of strips. Okay, so now what we're ready to do is put the phone into the LabStrip meter. There it goes. And then now we can bring our test solution over, go ahead and dip our strip into the test solution, open up the strip nest, slide the strip into the strip nest all the way down, close it up, then we're going to open up our radial menu again, and this time hit the scan button. Now I'm going to scan the strip, and what it's doing is simply imaging the strip, and then from here what we will do is go ahead and associate this with the right project. In this case we're going to do School PH project, and now we're going to hit scan. Okay, and what it's doing is it's comparing that image to the to the mathematical algorithm that we have on our server, and now it's come back with a result of a pH of 6.55. And so that's now displayed on the application with this nice color display. And then in turn, now we've sent automatically a text from the cloud server to my wife's iPhone saying Brian's pH is less than 10 as we set up on the trigger. And then in addition, this should now update on our website. The web portal here now shows the same result of pH 6.55 loaded to the cloud.